Okay, so in the previous video I showed you how to do one corner. Now we find that the other three corners cannot be done on this table easily because it's just too small and it won't work. So we tie it this way, make sure it's the same size as here, level. Just got to find the right wood. There'll be one around your woodwork room if you're a woodwork person. Okay, tie that good. Bring that here like that, and bring a 3-inch nail. Okay, 2.5-inch nail. Sorry. Okay, come in here, put in the center. Make sure it's flush there. Hold it with your fingers. Straighten the nail. Okay. Come over here. Okay, just like that. Okay. You get 1.5-inch nail. And come in here, on the corner here. Use your foot here to stabilize it. Okay. And put one on the other side. Here. And there you have it. Now we'll do the other side as well. Okay. We bring this here. And bring where is it? Here it is. So bring this here and bring it here. Okay. We'll take another one. It's going to be bigger because of the wood fatness of the wood that's been joined on there. We don't worry about the other side yet. Just make sure it's the same size. Yeah, it is. Okay. Just put it here. A lot of people worry about fixing the other side, but you don't need to do it right now. You worry about the side that you're joining, which is this side. Okay. Come here. And tie it like this. Give it squared. This. And tie it. Tie it tight. Okay. And the same thing happens here. Okay. You don't worry about the other side right now, you worry about it later. Come here, right in the center. Straighten the nail. Use that stuff up your fingers. Okay, that's good. And now we worry about this side. Okay. Okay, so we come and take this off. Bring that in. Over here. Now it's screwing off. And you got to put something under there. Okay, that should be fine. Now you can G-clamp that if you want. But I'm not going to worry about it this time. I'm just going to put it in like this. Okay. Come here. There you have it. Take that off. Bring it up this way. Okay. Now get get one of these things and put that at the bottom. I'll show you where. There's if there's a gap there, because we spread it off. It's quite a bit higher there. Just like that. Okay. And we put one of these in here. Like that. Loosen this a bit. Try it. This should be ready. So if you put, we should use this hammer. I mean, I use that hammer a lot. I break the rules sometimes, but you can use it. But you should be using this hammer for the 1.5 inch nails. Okay. Come here. And over here. Oh, bloody hell. Split that. Happens. Okay. Take it from here. We do the same thing on the other side. Camera didn't catch that, did it? I was too far down. Oh, I forgot to turn the camera on. Okay, so we come, what we did there, the camera was too far down, I didn't see that. We put our body here and come in here. Okay. Okay, this should be fine. And we'll put another one on this side. That's what we did on the other side. Sorry about the camera on the other side, it had fallen down a bit. There it is, I put it down a bit. Forgot to put it back up. So that's what we did on the other side, the same thing. We'll come here, keep our buddy here. And there you have it. Okay, in video 1, there'll be other video shot for next stage. We make another one exactly the same as this. Okay, exactly the same as this. Okay, make another one. I'll make that behind the scenes, and then I'll show you what you do next after that. Thank you for listening, and God be with each and every one of you.